You have to excuse the video and the location, but this is a wind-up torch I made from the CD Rom player out of a computer. There's the motor. This is the bit that normally ejects the tray. It's been cut across here, plastic there, and it's been cut across there too, and all the other bits taken out. Now I've got to turn the LED up and wind it. Sorry, this way. You can see it lights up pretty well. Now if I turn the light out, the only reason I'm in this room is because it's very dark. I don't know how my phone will respond in the dark, but I will just turn the light up. Show you in the dark. Okay, yeah. This is the light from the LED. It's quite bright actually. Quite surprised. The LED light I had out of a solar light from the garden. Okay, just thought I'd show you. Can you turn the light on please, Torben? Yep. Okay. And there you have it. There's the cogs, and all I done was put a screw through on the cog over there to make a handle. Okay, thanks for watching.